I call this soap the perfect combo, and the reason I call it the perfect combo is because this soap is not only going to help smoothing out your skin. If you're having reaction to your skin, if you're having eczema on your skin, if you're having sunburn, dark patches, uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, pimples, name it, this soap is all you need. It's the perfect combo to give you a glowing skin, a brighter skin, a healthy skin, a well hydrated skin. Okay, it's going to help even out the skin tone. Guys, if this is something you're interested in, trust me, you will not want to miss this video. Leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe, share this video, and let's get right into this video. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the new and old subscribers. And let me first of all apologize that I'm not doing the practical. It's been very busy and I'm still very busy, so I just picked out this time to just come to this video. So what you're going to need, the first ingredient you're going to need, of course, is your black soap, your Ghana black soap. That is the ingredient you are going to need in this. The next soap you're going to need is your anti-reaction ball. I'll be putting the pictures for you guys here for you guys to see. So your Ghana black soap, you can use the small one or half. You can cut it into half, you know, if you just want to try for the first time. So half of the small Ghana soap, and then you need the balls, the anti-reaction balls. They are very tiny and brown. Yes, that's what they are. So all you want to do is shred this in a bowl. Please make sure your bowl is very clean. Don't worry, guys, I'll be leaving the ingredients for you somewhere along in this video. So what you need is a bowl, a very clean bowl. You can, you know, clean your bowl very well. You can sanitize your bowl very well. So put this soap in there, and then to a pot, what you're going to need is 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed. So fenugreek seed has a very high moisturizing properties, and it also helps to soften the skin and smoothen out the skin. Fenugreek also has vitamin C and vitamin K, and this helps to brighten out, especially the under eye. If you're having dark circles, this helps to brighten it out. It also helps with the elimination of melanin. So when it's removing or reducing melanin on your skin tends to get brighter. So the next thing, we're going to add it in a pot. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to leave the ingredients for you, okay? So you're going to add it in a pot, okay? Put it in a pot, in a clean pot, because we're going to boil this. So put it in a pot. Next thing we're going to be adding into this is clove. So you can add like maybe 7, 8, 9, 10 clove in there. Clove is very nice when it comes to smell. This soap, you don't need perfume, you don't need fragrance, but if you still desire that, you can use. So we're going to put in our clove in the pot as well. Clove helps in reducing sagginess, fine lines, wrinkles for the skin. So if you are like 30 years, this is something to incorporate in your soap making. So you're going to add this as well, like I said, in the pot. And also clove is good for skin brightening or skin lightening, because it has a lightening property in it that's going to help lighten the skin. It's not oshapapa, it's something that works gradually. Also, clove helps with acne because it is filled with antibacterial and antiseptic properties in it. Antiseptic properties, we're talking about, you know, things that like Dettol and all that. They help the skin to remove bacteria from the skin. One other benefit of clove for the skin is the fact that if you're having acne or acne spots, this tends to help to brighten it up. If you're having blemishes, it tends to brighten it. So next we're going to be adding to the pot is our cinnamon. Oh god, guys, I love cinnamon, not just because of the smell, but cinnamon is very good when it comes to acne. If you're having acne, cinnamon is very good. So cinnamon helps to brighten the skin, it helps to exfoliate the skin, helps to exfoliate dry skin as well. It heals eczema. If you're having eczema, this thing is going to heal. You see what I'm saying? This soap is a best combo that you need because it's touching every area that the skin needs. It helps to aid hydration, and it also improves the skin texture. So it also helps to with wrinkles. If you're getting old and older, you know, anti-aging, it helps with that. So yeah, put this in the pot. You can get a stick of cinnamon. If you have the powder, it's fine, but you know, the stick is also very good as well. So get this, put it in the water. And for the water, I will say you can use rose water or you use distilled water. So now we're going to be using that depending on the amount of soap you are actually using. Like I said, we're using that half of the small soap. So the water you're going to need is the small, let's just say half a cup of water. Put it in a pot, boil it, or use 1 cup of water, put it in the pot, and then put it on the fire. Let it boil for 10 minutes. When it's 10 minutes, the water tends to like reduce. But if you want to just let it boil for 5 minutes, it's fine. When it boils for 5 minutes, let it cool down completely. Let it cool down. Don't remove everything. Just let it still be inside and let it just cool down. When it cools down, the ingredient tends to be active, or will I say it tends to be much. Okay, so let it cool down, and after it cools down, next thing you're going to do, you're going to strain it. You're going to strain out the water, and then pour this water into your soap. The soap you've shredded, turn the water into the soap. So next thing we're going to be adding into this mixture is our camwood powder. Camwood powder is very good for people that are always breaking out. Camwood powder helps to rejuvenate the skin. It has healing properties to heal the skin. If you're having eczema, camwood powder works perfectly well for it. It helps to even out the skin tone, thereby reducing blemishes, sunburn, dark spots, and acne scars from the skin. It also helps to glow the skin. It helps with anti-aging. It helps to thicken out this elasticity of the skin, maybe by getting you looking young and supple. It's also good if you're suffering from insect bites, like swelling of the skin and all of that. So you add your cinnamon in there. The next thing you're going to be adding is for the cinnamon, you're going to add half a teaspoon, or half a tablespoon, which is a teaspoon. Half a tablespoon, which is a teaspoon. Okay, we're going to be adding it in there. And the next thing you're going to be adding in is your turmeric. Turmeric contains antioxidant that helps to heal the skin, helps to brighten the skin, helps to protect the skin from the harsh UV rays as well. So you add your turmeric. I love a lot of turmeric in my soap. But I will say if you're like me, I will say go for a tablespoon of turmeric, because I love turmeric in my soap so much. So add a tablespoon of your turmeric, and the next ingredient you're going to need is honey. Honey is very good. Honey helps to hydrate the skin. Honey contains antioxidant as well, antibacterial and all that is going to help heal your skin. People that even have acne tend to use this. People that have fine lines tend to use this as well. So add honey to it. So you're going to add a tablespoon of honey, and then you're going to add shea butter. So shea butter, you have to melt a tablespoon of shea butter and add it into this. So when it comes to oil, you can add like carrot oil, which glows the skin, and also camwood glows the skin very well. So add your camwood. When you add your camwood and you add carrot oil, yeah, it's going to be good. Carrot contains beta carotene as well, and then carrot oil is very, when you want to glow your skin, carrot oil does a whole lot. So I would say add 2 tablespoons of carrot oil in here. I know you're going to ask me a question like, are we not putting preservative in this? Of course we are going to put preservative in here, but for the water, you need a water that is very, very clean. That's why I said distilled water or rose water. You're going to mix this very well. Put your hands. This is another reason why I couldn't do that video for you guys. Can you see? So put it in, mix. You're going to use your hand and mix, because you want it to enter everywhere. So mix, keep on mixing it like this. And then the water you added, you have to put it gradually to the taste you want. Okay, because if you put it too much, it's going to be too watery. So you have to put it gradually to know the consistency that you want. So you mix it together. So you're going to add preservative. For preservative, I would say add normally we measure preservative, but I used Germa Plus preservative because I've worked with it and I love it so much. So you can add your preservative. Just add like half a teaspoon of your Germa Plus preservative. Put it in there. This is because we're working with water and you don't want your soap to spoil. When it comes to black soap, if you're using water for it, you need to add preservative. Okay, so you have to mix, keep on mixing, and then add your honey to your vitamin E to it. So I always like using vitamin E capsule, and then you pour the vitamin E capsule, like 1 or 2 in there. Vitamin E is very good for the skin. It helps with sunburn, helps to hydrate the skin, helps with acne, helps to remove blemishes from the skin. So this soap is going to glow your skin, it's going to brighten your skin, it's going to exfoliate your skin. The reason why it's being brightened, anybody can use this. If you're dark, if you're fair, any skin color can use this. It's not going to like whiten you. There's nothing like whitening added into this. These things are natural, they are organic, they are pure, so anybody can use this, and it's going to brighten your skin, being the fact that when your skin is exfoliating, it tends to produce out new cells, it tends to brighten out the skin. Okay, so it's going to remove that dull cells or that dull skin from your body, and then bring produce out new cells. So it's going to make your skin feel bright. So mix it very well, let it sit for 24 hours. I always say you can use your soap after 24 hours. This makes it to settle down, everything is going to like settle in it. But for me, what I do after that 24 hours, I go back in with my glove and I mix again. This one, you see that the color is going to change, and then it's going to look really beautiful, and then you can pack it into your clean container. For you to how you can use this, you're going to use it morning and night. Apply on your body, pour water on your body, then apply it on your skin. Let it sit for 3 minutes before you wash off. Okay, so this is morning and night. And then also don't forget to moisturize your skin. If you're someone like me that hates cream, you can get a very mild oil that's like jojoba oil is good. It mimics the skin oil, so it doesn't feel like there's anything in your skin. So guys, guess what? Yesterday was my birthday, so please wish me happy birthday in the comment section. I'm super excited. I did not do anything. I was at home, Netflix, and chilling. Chilling is lying down. So that's it. So I love you guys. This video was useful to you guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments in the comment section, and guys, please like my video. I'm begging you, so that YouTube can push my video. Okay, you guys can also support this channel if you would like to. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.